Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Miller, and this is a P&I Minute. In designing these programs, we're thinking about, first of all, individuals who are currently functioning at a very high level, but may have some type of family history, or they're worried that there could be cognitive decline in their future, and they want to design and have a very specific program just for them. But we also, of course, being here, part of St. John's, Providence, the larger P&I group, we have all these providers who also want to be able to offer something to their patients. We want to have classes in place here, right here at the center, so that they can attend and they can get the tools and the techniques that they need to be able to help themselves. So our memory care program currently is held on Tuesdays at 1 o'clock. It's a 3-hour program, and this is a program where we enroll couples. The first hour, everybody's doing memory training. So memory training is for the person with dementia, but it's also for the intact partner, right? They want to stay sharp. The second hour, we're doing something called Fit Brain, and Fit Brain is a dual tasking, interactive cognitive fitness exercise. And the reason why this is very exciting is that this improves your overall attention and working memory, which goes hand in hand with the short-term memory exercises that we're learning in the first hour. And then the third hour, we actually have 2 groups. We separate into a group of the partners and spouses, and we provide each other support as to how challenging the caregiving process can be. The other group is actually for those with identified memory issues, and they have a chance to do what's called reminiscent therapy. And this is a chance to talk about our long-term memories, maybe the important things from our childhood or our career. But it's also a chance for them to support each other and to understand how challenging it is to be going through all these changes associated with dementia. That's contrasted to our Vital Minds class. And in Vital Minds, we've designed it presently to meet 4 weeks total. So in each week, we'll meet for 2 hours, and we will cover the core memory techniques that are tried and true. And what I mean by tried and true is these have been researched, these have been proven to be effective for people with normal aging. And the goal is that using these techniques and learning them, they'll be then able to go out into their everyday life and implement it and actually see a difference in how memory, word finding, attention is going for them in their ordinary tasks that they're doing, whether it be work or their hobbies or their philanthropy. These classes are not clinical. So this is not a treatment that is similar to, let's say, going to your neurologist or your psychiatrist or your psychologist. This is an adjunct to, right? So we think about, most of you are interested in golf or Pilates or Tai Chi, right? All these things are great for your body. Why not have classes that are great for your brain? So nutrition is a very important component, as is sleep, stress reduction, and exercise. So in both classes, we will be talking about those topics, and then some people will choose to work with a nutritionist one-on-one or in an additional group if they need more guidance. So the exciting part about the lifestyle program is that you can choose classes, but we also offer all of these different types of programs on a one-on-one basis as well. I think the part that's going to be very unique to P&I, and I'm very excited to spearhead, is we're going to take this out to communities who've never even heard of different brain health centers, right? So we're very lucky here at P&I to be part of a premier brain health center, right? And other individuals may have access to that same type of care where they live, but the majority, truth be told, do not even hear about brain health centers. So to take this out to communities where we can then share about cognitive training and share about nutrition and stress reduction and the importance of exercise, and if that can make a difference in those communities and those families, those individuals, then I think we're really, like I like to say, spreading the love. We're spreading the good work of what it all means.